Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday, July 14. The time here in Brisbane, Australia is 7:19 in the evening. In your end in Korea, maybe in the afternoon, or in Istanbul, 12:19 in the afternoon. In Dubai, 1 o'clock in the evening. In in Paris, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. And in Africa, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So we have a time difference. May I introduce myself to you guys? My name is Wilhelmina Ford. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I am your business facilitator. I know you found my YouTube channel, and I know you've been watching my platform on Facebook. And if you pay attention, the procedure is already available on my platform. Today, I changed my policy, my procedure. When I upload my live video on YouTube, the procedure, the message is on this video. It's up for you to comprehend. It's up for you to digest. It's up for you to think about it, whether you are qualified or not. Wilhelmina is not an agency. I am your business facilitator. Why? When you search gold via YouTube channel or you search on Facebook, you are going to bump into my platform. My platform is very unique. What you see on my platform, what you get. Now, you're gonna see, Wilhelmina, where is the gold? That is a very good question. The gold produced in Sierra Leone, the gold produced in Conakry, Guinea, gold produced in Mali. The owner of the gold appointed Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing to promote worldwide. That is why you found this video. Now, I am changing my policy. I'm sick and tired of sending procedure. If you are a buyer, you are a winner. But if you are not a buyer and you don't pay attention, you are a loser. Why? Everything now is on social media. Look at on Facebook. I purchase products via Facebook, and you are purchasing products via Wilhelmina's marketing. I am on email marketing. I am on the virtual marketing. You see, live, Wilhelmina is the one telling the world that Africa is the main source of precious mineral. Everybody goes to Africa. Why the big company travel to Africa? Why Australian mining company positioning themselves in Africa? Why German are there everywhere? Why Italian group are everywhere in Africa? And why the people from Dubai are crying for supply? And why Chinese, Korean, Asian, they are searching gold because gold is a valuable item. Now, gold is a foreign reserve. Why it's a foreign reserve? Your paper money has no value at the moment. The dollar has been devalued. The gold has big valuable asset. Today, the price of gold is 3,372.20 per ounce. In dollars term is 108,430.98. That is already refined. You are buying unrefined, which is $99.39 per kilo. Now, our selling price, you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the selling price? Our selling price less 5% based on what I had mentioned few seconds ago. So if you're a businessman, you know the movement of gold today and last week and last month. So the price of gold, it varies day to day. So gold is not fixed. You can only get fixed when you show your credential. Because Wilhelmina will interview you live video call conference. I will ask you, are you a buyer or just window shopper? If you're a buyer, then let's talk via live video call in order for me to find out who you are. And when you send me a message on Messenger or on YouTube or on WhatsApp, please don't say hello. My name is not hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. I'm based in Australia. I am not an agency, you must remember. You are searching gold and then you bump into my video. This video is for everyone. This video is for the real buyer. Now, why you buy gold? What is the purpose? The answer is you want to make money. Gold is profitable business. However, gold is very tricky. If you don't have a capital much, it could be very tricky for you because gold is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. Gold is not SBLC, standard letter of credit. This is FOB, bank to bank. Based on your credential, we will do the contract. How many quantity you want on the first shipment? And is this a long-term supply? Is this a long-term contract? Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, the price is too expensive. Correct. You are buying expensive item. Yes. Today, the dollar has been devalued. Gold is more valuable. That is why most of the big company, they are buying gold to protect their business. If you are a refinery or jewelry manufacturer, and if there is no supply, your business would not function. Excuse me. How you are going to make into bracelet? How are you going to make into earrings? How are you gonna make into necklace if there is no supply? There is a saying, supply and demand determine the price. Now, our selling price, as I have said to you guys, less 5% based on the world market. Whatever the world market, less 5%. Now, because you are using Wilhelmina as your facilitator in order to get the very good deal, I am with you. I am going to help you, to assist you. I know my seller, but my seller is very, very strict. That is why I need to know who you are. I need to know a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof upon your bank statement that you have $1 million. Without that, I wouldn't able to help you. We don't sell 1 kilo. We don't sell 2 kilos. There is a minimum of 20 kilos. Now, when I interviewed you, you need to open your camera in order for me to distinguish whether you are a buyer or not. There are two kinds of buyer: sophisticated buyer or fly-by-night buyer. I have been encountering a lot of issue in the past. Now, you must remember, Mr. Buyer, if I'm gonna travel with you, I do charge my services to cover my travel costs, non-refundable. Bear with me and do not complain if the price is expensive because you are buying expensive item. Now, instead of 5%, because you are paying my extra service to accompany you, to assist you, I do charge $20,000 to cover my travel cost for you. In spite of that, instead of 5%, I will add 3% in total of 8%. So you are a winner. You are using Wilhelmina to get the supply, to access the supply on the ground. I know my seller, but my seller is very strict. So that's why we need to have a contract in order for you to fix it. Now, when we send you the contract valid only for 14 days, not 6 months. I had encountered a buyer that I have been dealing with him for 6 months. And this buyer is very tricky buyer. And I'm not going to mention his name. And if I take you, do not go behind my back. Because if you go behind my back, then you are going to fail. So on the contract, it says the price is fixed, good only for 14 days. So there is a tendency that the price goes up. When the price goes up, then the seller also changes his price. In spite of that, you still get 8% no matter what when the price goes up. However, Wilhelmina is very kind and generous. Instead of 8%, I might pressure my seller to give you 10%. But don't bank on it because you have not convinced me. I had a buyer that I have given him a very good price, very, very good price. At the end of the day, he became a traitor and he took behind my back. So that kind of buyer, he's a paranoid and he has an agenda. That is why when I interview you, I'm going to ask your business registration, importation license, where the gold to be delivered, because you will receive the seller's mining license, the seller's export license, the passport copy of the seller, and the seller paying the taxes to his government. So you will receive that. So Wilhelmina will only charge you her travel costs to accompany you. And if you don't want to pay my extra service of $20,000, 5%. You can travel, but if there is a little bit of issue, I'm too far. So that is the reason why this video, there is a message on this video. You have to read it, listen very carefully, so that at the end of the day, you would not fail. And this $20,000 is non-refundable. You mean to say I have to travel with you for free? Listen, I went to my lawyer's office. Lawyer charged me. Right. And the lawyer's time is very precious as well. My time is precious, but I've given you already free service for free. I'm telling you that the price of gold is 99 on 22 carats. You're buying 22 carats, 22 and 23 carats. The purity is from 96, 97. It varies bar to bar. And you need to taste the gold. You need to acid the gold in order for you to find out the purity and the carats. Because in every bar has a different carats and the purity. Even 92%, you can make into gold bullion. So don't be a fool That, oh, Wilhelmina, why your seller, the gold is 92, still you can make into jewelry. There is still gold. And the purity of the 92 can be 95 or 94. Still there is gold. But you need to travel. You cannot just sit down in your country and send it by FedEx and send it by Emirates or send it MS. You need to travel. You need to establish your business relationship with the buyer. Now, because I have a previous issue, and every day I learn from crooked or crook buyer as well. So I am sharing you that this video is really very important to you. I am not dealing with the chain of joker broker. No more. I am only dealing directly to you, Mr. Buyer. Now, as I said to you, I don't entertain buyer asking me CIF or SBLC or block fund. Why you gonna block the fund? Gold is money. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. You need to have a capital. Now, if you are a refinery, you know the business. You don't need to bargain. However, you come for private conversation. Instead of 8%, I might pressure the seller to give you a leeway because you're paying my extra service. My extra service is non-refundable, you must remember. And I will send you the invoice. The invoice says non-refundable. That $20,000 cover my time to be with you, to fly with you. And I'm gonna be with you for 8 working days. More than 8 working days. Because the time difference. When you transfer your payment, it takes 3 working days to clear your payment. So you have to wait another 3 to 4 days to process the paperwork. But sometimes there is a speed up. Now, if you want to buy gold in Conakry, use Emirates Sky Cargo. The office in Conakry is in the airport. You can go there in the airport and ask how much the Sky Cargo Emirates will charge you. Okay? There is a charge. You can use their services. Okay? My seller has his own shipping agent. But you have an option. Use Sky Cargo. Use MS. Use Vanguard. It's up for you. That's not my job. My job is I'm giving you all necessary information, and the seller authorized Wilhelmina to reject you. The seller authorized Wilhelmina to give you a leeway. Now, if I'll take you to Conakry, Guinea have a different policy. You need to come to the seller's office. Okay? You taste the gold. My seller in Conakry have his own tasting facilities on the ground, and he owned the building, and this seller has been in gold business for 25 years. Okay, there are several sellers in Conakry. There is small scale seller, and used to be previous instances, one buyer did not meet the criteria. So I have to bring the buyer to other seller, which the other seller giving him a very good deal for 6 months. And when the price goes up, the seller has changed. So that is not my job. That is not, I was been even surprised. They would not bring the gold to central bank until the buyer paid 30% down payment. So that was also my experience, learning experience. And the buyer failed to get the gold. Now that $20,000 is non-refundable. So now, going back to Conakry, you taste the gold, and I will take you to a premium seller. The premium seller is very, very tough, and you will see the company profile of this premium seller. And I fired some seller. I only deal with this seller in Conakry, which is premium seller, and you will see on my Facebook that I was in the office, and the company is big, and this is a consortium group of company. The previous buyer didn't meet the criteria to other small seller because his capital is very limited, and he didn't pay the 30% down payment. So why he cannot afford to pay the 30%, and he wanted to bring the gold to central bank. That gold will be sent to central bank after you make a down payment. Acid the gold first, then you pay the down payment. Now this premium seller required to have a 50% down payment, no longer 30%. I was being instructed that if the buyer is real, he needs to pay 50%, and you are going to be given commercial invoice. Then the gold will be brought to the central bank in order to export. So the seller would send a letter to the central bank that he is going to export to you, Mr. Buyer. Then the balance, when the paperwork will be finished, then the balance transfer again bank to bank. And the gold from the Central Bank of Conakry will be handed over to Sky Cargo if you are using Sky Cargo. The armor car will bring the gold in the airport. So you need to be vigilant. If you're from Dubai, Air Cargo, Sky Cargo, headquarters is in Dubai. There is Sky Cargo in Africa. So I'm giving you a lot of a hell of information. You must remember, information is vital. And I'm not charging you this information for free. But when I travel with you, yes, I do charge my extra service of $20,000, take it or leave it, non-refundable. That is why we need to have a very good contract. I have to gather your vital information, and I have to send it to the seller, and I'm going to determine the country where we are going to travel. We have gold in Conakry, we have gold in Bamako, Mali, we have gold in Sierra Leone. Now, speaking of Sierra Leone, the government has changed. So the government will value the gold. And my seller delivered 200 kilos June the 3rd to Dubai, to a jeweler. I have a copy of the shipment, but I'm not going to give it to you until I will determine which seller I'm going to take you, until I will tell you, okay, let's travel to Sierra Leone. This is the seller, and I will provide you the mining license of the seller, export license of the seller, and the shipper of the seller, and the copy of ASI report, the previous ASI report. Just a moment, I'm going to show you the ASI report. In Sierra Leone, the government has changed. Now, this is the document that my seller shipped the gold to Dubai June 3rd. You will be given a gold valuation from the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources, which is NMA. Okay? You will be given a document, but this document cannot be float around. My seller just give me a copy for my review and look at it. So the buyer is from Dubai. Okay? A jeweler. And he was given this paperwork before he flew to Dubai. And my seller used this logistic. I will give you the logistic when I gather your vital information. Yeah? And this is my seller client, that I cannot give you this privacy. This is a privacy of the client. But because I am the mandate of the seller, I was given all the necessary information for me to know that the seller shipped the gold. So I was being updated. So this is not my client. This is the client of my head office, a previous old client. Now, my seller in Conakry also sold 1 tons of gold. So, if you are fly by night, I don't know if you can afford it. Okay? So, if you fail, tough luck. That is the reason why this video is really very vital for you buyer if you are serious buyer. Now, I just finished having a conference. A buyer from Dubai reject. I had a conference this morning. A buyer from Korea, he is a refinery. He owns a refinery. And I'm still negotiating with him. And I am going to give him a very good leeway, because I'm going to charge him, and I ask him, do not travel if I'm not around. Even though if I'm around, do not go behind my back. One buyer, he go behind my back. So you don't need to be greedy. You don't need to be paranoid. Okay? A minute you go behind my back, that's over. So that is the reason why today, July 14, if you watch this video, you are a winner. If you don't pay attention and you're excited to contact me, because I'm going to leave my contact number on this video, subscribe, click below. If you are searching on YouTube, or if you are searching on Facebook, you will see everything, because I put the procedure at the same time. And the picture, what you see on the picture, there is an image, there is a message. What you see when you come down to Africa, what you get. Now let's talk about Bamako, Mali. Bamako, Mali, the taxes is 7%. Bamako, Mali is the 3rd largest gold producer in West Africa. They have 4 refineries. DNGM, you taste the gold there, you acid the gold in order for you to find out the carats and the purity. Cancamusa is the Italian group of company 500 meters away from the airport. I know because I've been to Mali. Russian refinery, they are building their own refinery. And the government is giving a Russia incentives. In return, Russia will invest in Mali. That is not my business. Number 4, there is a refinery called Marina. Marina is selling gold 1.5%. They're also buying gold from the cooperative. The cooperative have 4,500 members. They bring the gold to the cooperative. And the cooperative is spread all the supply from businesses, their local business. They have also registered business and they have also export license. Mhm. Wilhelmina will travel with you in Bamako, Mali as well. Now next year, I'm going to charge of $25,000. This is not for you guys if you cannot afford. This is not for you. And if your business is struggling and you cannot find the supply, tough luck, because gold will not come to you. This is a real business. Again, you can search online what is the price of the gold, because the price of gold changes every offer, every so often. Just a moment, I'm gonna go on the world market. I'm gonna have a look. Okay. It's still the same, 3,366.23 per ounce. In dollars term, 108.2673 per kilo. Now, remember, a few minutes ago I said our selling price less 5%. Because I'm going to travel with you, I will give you 3% throwback because you're paying my extra service to be with you. And if you don't pay, then you can travel. We can do the contract because you're going to be invited by the seller. If you are a serious buyer, it's better you take Wilhelmina. It's better. Because you are a stranger on that country. I'm no longer a stranger. I've been to Mali, I've been to Sierra Leone, I've been to Conakry. So I know the country. But the seller is very tough. So that is the reason why I'm going to gather your credential. In return, you will receive the credential of the seller. Yeah? And I will ask the permission of the seller in Sierra Leone if I could show you the ASI report and the buyer, but I will remove the name of the buyer. I will remain the country, which is Dubai. I have here. I have here. The buyer is from Daira, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. He is a jeweler. He's a jeweler. So he needs the supply. He ordered 200 kilos. Meaning to say, this jeweler is short supply. June the 3rd, the seller ship it. That's not my client. That is the seller old client. So you need to establish your business relationship in order for you to get a long-term supply if you are a refinery, if you own a refinery. I had the buyer that he was talking to me. He owned a refinery. At the moment, we are on the negotiation. I can give this buyer a very good deal, because he is a refinery, and I know when he resell the gold, he make more handsome profit. Okay? So, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, you're lucky. You're lucky to meet Wilhelmina. Those buyer that failed, they said, oh, Wilhelmina is a scammer. I don't know how much I scammed them. Those joker broker, they blog me. The more you blog me, the more the buyer say, oh, Wilhelmina is not a scammer. Wilhelmina is live. If I am a scammer, I'm not going to show my face. I'm telling you, scammer are scared to show their faces. I'm not. But be careful, because I'm very tough. And don't bully me, don't harass me, because if I found out, I'm going to sue you. So that is the reason why I'm very blunt. No one is scamming you. Nobody. Gold is very tricky business, you must remember, if you are not very extra careful. Yes, that is the reason why you need Wilhelmina to be with you. Yeah? If you go behind my back and then you become paranoid, then that is your fault. Because once I travel, my your $20,000 is non-refundable. Not why? It covers my airline ticket, it covers my accommodation, my miscellaneous expenses. $20,000. Take it or leave it. My time is precious. You're buying precious mineral. I went to my lawyer just to talk to my lawyer face to face. They charged me a consultation fee. Yeah. When I send him the email, they charge me. Now this buyer is bullying me. I'm not going to mention his name. I'm not afraid. I have a very good lawyer. Okay? So just don't go behind my back. Just don't be paranoid. Don't accuse me unfounded allegation because you are not going to win. Because on the invoice, $20,000 is non-refundable. You mean to say I have to ask the airline ticket to get the money back? You mean to say I have to ask the restaurant to return the money that we have eaten? Okay? I threw back the money to the guest without knowing the guest. Yes. So you are lucky to have Wilhelmina. I'm very kind and generous, but don't abuse my kindness. Don't. Because there is no free in this world, you must remember. You use me, you pay for it. I use my lawyer, I pay for it. That's it. So again and again, please listen to this video. Subscribe if you are on YouTube. And read the message on this video on the screen properly. Take time. Don't rush. Gold business is not a rush business. This is a real business. Okay? And if you found on Facebook, there is a procedure, read it. Don't be excited. If you're really a buyer, pay attention. Because this is for you. This is not for me. I'm just giving a lot of information for free. We're gonna find a person who give more knowledge. When the seller hired me, my seller didn't give me this vital information. I have to compile because I am helping both buyers and seller. Yes, because the government of this country is not also helping the seller. That is why the seller who owned the merchandise, he hired me because I have experience on marketing. I used to be on real estate. I'm already retired. I love to help both buyers and seller. Of course, you're paying me. Of course. You mean to say I'm going to do business for free? No, this is not free business. This is a very lucrative business. So, attention to all buyers and sellers and brokers. I'm no longer interested to deal with the chain of joker broker. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.